Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Anika, beta, I think you have joined the wrong link.
Ma'am, I also think.
Good afternoon, Avni.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Let's wait for other students to join.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon. What is the date today? 6th?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Get ready with your dictionaries. Ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 6 dot. Children, what do you mean by this thought? It is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very easy to, so it is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very difficult to win someone. What do we mean by this? Anybody can explain?
Excuse me. Ma'am, it means that we defeat someone very easily, but we not want someone very easily. We have to work hard to win him
Yes.
or her.
And win someone means like winning someone's heart. So what all does it take to win a person's heart? It takes a lot of effort, isn't it? You have to be good, you have to be true, you have to be faithful, honest, thankful, and you have to be
Yes,
good
ma'am.
in so many different aspects. This is how you win a person's heart. But it is very
Good
easy to
afternoon,
defeat anyone. What do you mean by defeat? What is next?
ma'am. I have learned this. Ma'am, I have learned this thought in my ma'am's assembly.
Okay, very nice. It is very easy to defeat someone means किसी को हराना. Defeat is
Yes, ma'am.
make a person
And ma'am,
lose. Yes.
and ma'am, और किसी को जीतना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. It
Yes.
is difficult to win someone.
It is very difficult to win someone's heart. Good. Now, the two words for today are apprehensive and diligent. All of you take out your dictionaries and find out the meaning.
Ma'am, what is page number?
Beta, I am not giving you the words from diary. I'm giving you the words on my own.
Ma'am, I found the meaning of diligent.
Let everyone find it out, then we'll discuss. Beta, mute yourself.
Ma'am, I found the meaning of apprehensive.
Okay. Everyone has found the meaning of apprehensive?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the meaning of apprehensive? Tell.
Worried or unequal. Yes, ma'am.
Worried or anxious. The word is anxious. Like you are little scared. I'm apprehensive about my result that is to be declared today. Apprehensive is a little worried that the result is going to be negative. So when you have this negative feeling, you are apprehensive about something. Now write the meaning and also frame a sentence using this word.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we write the meaning of apprehensive. That also na. I apprehensive watching after the horror movie.
No, beta, no. Apprehensive is a feeling of doubt, right? Is a feeling of doubt that you get. We can't say I'm feeling apprehensive about watching a horror movie. No. Yes, Nandini.
Sometimes the sentence that I am apprehensive for the exam.
I am apprehensive about the result of my examination. Okay, make it like that.
I found the meaning of diligent.
Okay, what is the meaning of diligent? Tell.
Ma'am,
Careful and conscientious.
Yes.
Ma'am is careful and conscientious.
Okay. Careful and conscious. When you do something extra with extra care or with a lot of care, that is diligent. Like I do, or with very hard work, that is called diligent. Okay. Diligent is doing something with extra care, extra caution, and extra, like doing a lot of hard work. So we can say the students who are very dedicated in their work, they do their work diligently.
Ma'am, can you repeat the sentence again?
You can write, Harsh, I do my homework diligently, because you actually do your work very nicely. All of you can write this for yourselves. Or you can also write, we must do our work diligently.
Ma'am, in my dictionary, the meaning of diligent is serving. Serving.
What? What is the meaning?
Ma'am, in my dictionary, it is the meaning is Serving.
Serving. I have not heard this word. Let me see. Beta, are you sure it is Serving?
Ma'am, I am saying the word is Serving.
So that is serving. Diligently is not serving. Serving is offering something, someone something. Diligent has got nothing to do with serving.
Now, what is the sentence for diligent?
I do my work diligently, or we must do our work diligently. Done? These two words and sentences?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now I'm going to share a screen with you. Let's play a game. The game is you have to find the word. In a grid, you have to find a word. So let's see, and you have to do it in teamwork. This is teamwork. This is not individual competition. You will help out each other in finding the words. So here the grid goes.
Ma'am, we have to write the words in notebook.
No, you just have to find it here and you have to help out each other. You can unmute yourself. See, the words are given on the right hand side. Dapper, swagger, meander, falter. Okay. Now just find out where these words are.
Excuse me, ma'am.
And don't seek my help in this because this is teamwork and you have to do it by yourself. The game's name is Vocabulary Word Search. Yes, beta, say.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of dapper?
Now you can find that too in dictionary. Dapper is like something very smart, someone very smart with a good attitude. What a dapper he is. Someone very stunning, handsome, good looking, beautiful. Just find out what in dictionary is dapper, how it is described over there.
Am I coming back?
What is it given?
What, mom?
You found the word, you found the meaning of dapper?
No, no.
Okay. Don't find it. Don't find it. It is actually like good looking. And it is mainly used for men. I have found it. Now, children, quickly find the words in the grid. I can't see, I can't hear any one of you talking to each other. You have to, okay, if I give you a deadline, it's 1:46, right? And by 2 o'clock, you have to find all the words. Your time starts now. Yes? Go on. Beta, unmute yourself. How many words have you found, Avni?
Ma'am, two.
Found
Okay,
10.
Harsh, how many have you found?
Ma'am, 10.
Very good. Now see, Avni, if you will talk to Harsh, you will come to know so many other words. Nandini, how many have you found?
Ma'am, I found 4.
4. Now, why don't you talk to each other? I have given you a deadline. You have to do what is this zero period for? This is for knowing the importance of teamwork. When you work in a team, you can quickly finish your task. Don't you think that? You will be able to finish it quickly, even more quickly than how you will do it individually. Come on, unmute yourself, everyone. Rishabh, how many words have you found? Discuss amongst yourself. Harsh, tell which all words have you found?
Ma'am, dapper.
No,
sweater,
ma'am. Think that ma'am is not there. Say Avni,
Dapper.
Nandini. Yes, talk like that.
I found dapper, sweater, meter, and Fonter, Volunteer, Mundane, Zealous, Wave, Quill, Josti, and 2 are left.
2 are left. Okay. So, Avni, would you not like to take Avni and Nandini? Would you not like to seek help of Harsh, Rishabh, and Yash? What about you? Don't you want to take Harsh's help? Ask him, no, where these words are. Just give us little hint. You have,
Harsh, can you give me little bit hint?
yes, this is how you'll do.
Harsh, can you give me little bit hint?
First,
Which word?
tell him the line number, tell him which row it is vertical, it is horizontal, in which direction it is. If you want, you can talk in Hindi as well.
Which side is the second one is?
Wait a second.
Swagger. The word is swagger.
Swagger is in first line.
First
After
vertical, in first vertical line.
Okay, from top to bottom or from bottom to top?
Then bottom to top.
Yes, so tell it like that. Tell it like that, na beta? नीचे से ऊपर, ऊपर से नीचे, right से left, left से right. Yes, Rishabh, now have you found? See, Harsh told and I could find it.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, we have found. See, here it is. Swagger. Everyone has found swagger now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And the person who is trying to help can also annotate on screen. Okay? Only the one who is trying to help will annotate. No one else will. Yes, next. Which words help do you want, children?
Ma'am, dapper.
Dapper. Okay. Harsh, tell them where is dapper.
Ma'am, dapper. Mm,
Have you found dapper yourself, Nandini? Which all words have you found?
Dapper, swagger.
So you tell dapper, you can talk in between that. I'll tell where dapper is if you have found. How do you work in a team? I think this lockdown has made you away from the teamwork, huh? You people have forgotten how you work in team. You people have to be very communicative, beta. You have to talk when you're working in a team. You can't sit silent and do. Tomorrow again, I'm going to indulge some team activity in the zero period.
Ma'am, I found the dapper with.
Okay, tell where dapper is. Tell your mates, tell your teammates where it is.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can I show where Dapper is?
Yes, of course you can show.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell them where is Minder?
Yes, of course you can tell. Don't ask ma'am. Just come forward and say, I will tell you where Minder is.
Harsh, can you give me the hint of falter?
Which one?
Falter.
Okay. Oh, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we forgot to click the photo that how many students are there.
Oh, you forgot. Okay. No problem. I'll see the recording. Don't worry.
Okay, I have.
How many words are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6
Ma'am, I
are only
found.
found.
Ma'am, I found all.
So, Harsh, will you keep all the words with yourself or you'll share it with your classmates? If you do not share with your teammates, you will be disqualified. Tell them where all the words are.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the time is over.
No, beta, the class will get over at 2:10.
No,
Still,
ma'am, you said that.
Acha, have you found all the words? All the words are there? Yes, tell me.
All words are there.
Okay, let me check. Let me check. I can see dapper. Where is dapper? I can't find. Okay, dapper I have found. Where is swagger? Let me see. I can't see swagger anywhere. Where have you marked swagger?
Ma'am, you only
Okay,
mark
okay,
the
I only
swagger.
marked it. Okay, meander. Where is meander? Okay, down from top to bottom. Then falter. What is falter? Where is falter? Can anybody help me? Children, can you see falter? Yes, falter. Okay. It is diagonal direction from right to left. Then vulnerable. Where is the word vulnerable? Anyone has marked vulnerable? No one has marked. I will mark it.
Ma'am,
found
I
it.
know where it is.
Yes, then it is not marked. Here it is, vulnerable. Okay, then after it we have mundane. Where is mundane?
Ma'am, I marked in second top to bottom.
Yes, from bottom to top, not top to bottom. From bottom to top. Then zealous. What is zealous? Where is zealous? Okay, no one has marked. It's here from down to up. Zealous. Okay, seen? Can you see? Zealous.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then after zealous, we have waft. Where is waft? Yes, waft also here, bottom side. Then quell. Quell is also there. Okay. Jostle. Where is jostle? Anyone has marked jostle? I can't see jostle, children. Have you marked it? Harsh, where is jostle?
Ma'am, I marked. Ma'am, right now.
Right now. But still I cannot find it.
Ma'am, there.
Tell me, na, in the center, right hand side, left hand side, where? Where do I look?
Ma'am, left hand side.
Line, it is lighting.
Left hand side, okay, diagonal. Yes, left hand side diagonal from left to right. Very good. Then we have aplomb. Where is aplomb? I can't find aplomb. Aplomb is marked?
No, ma'am.
No. Children, time up. See, you could not do it. So many students together could not find these words. A-P-L-O-M-B. A-P-L-O-M-B. Where is it? A-P-L-O-M-B. Now, before the class gets over, you have to make me find this word. Let's erase everything we have written on the screen. Erase all your things, children. Can you find a plume? Anyone? The whole team will be disqualified if the class gets over and we are not able to find the word. I'll disqualify the fourth B. Fourth B disqualified. Yes?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Hurry up and tell me where is a plume. Everybody dig in your eyes into the grid. Where is it? Where is it? AP, AP, AP. AP, AP. LOMB, LOMB. Oh no, it is so difficult. Oh, very nice. Avni has found. Very good. Here it is. A plume. And the last word is on the last line. Egregious.
Yes, ma'am.
Egregious. See, so we found all the words. But tomorrow we are going to do the same activity with some new game. And there you have to work all together in a better way. Is that fine? Today, how you worked was not very satisfactory. This wasn't teamwork. You all were quiet, like the team is sleeping, dead, lazy. Huh? Was it so? I want an active team tomorrow. Everybody will actively participate and your time duration today was 15 minutes. Tomorrow it will be reduced. Is that fine? Ready for tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Now we have last 1 minute left, 1.5 minutes left. So tell me what is to be done. In last 1.5 minutes. Shirsh is only here in the class, I think, for namesake. Shirsh is not speaking anything. Huh, Shirsh? And what a picture Shirsh has put. Who is this man, Shirsh? Okay, can you tell me the benefits of teamwork? Tell me the benefits of teamwork. Anyone can think. 1 point. You just have to give me 1 point, not much. You can even tell it in Hindi. Yes.
Ma'am, teamwork do always work. Team, ma'am, work, ma'am means, ma'am, teamwork लोग हमेशा साथ में work करते हैं.
Yes, it is done together. It is done in togetherness. So, working in a team does what? It helps. How does it help you? How does it help you, beta? It builds better relations. Does it build better relation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Does it save time?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Does it divide your this thing?